Hello everyone, in this episode of the HTML tutorial I'm going to be talking about JavaScript inside of HTML. So JavaScript is used to make HTML pages more dynamic and interactive. So for example, we can go ahead and create a button. The type is button, and let's add a special attribute. This is going to be onClick. So inside of the onClick attribute, we can type some JavaScript code. I'm gonna leave it empty for now. So I'm gonna type here show time. Alright? And then I'm gonna make an empty paragraph over here with the ID of example. Alright, inside of this onClick attribute, I'm going to write some JavaScript. So, document.get, or not animations, but element by ID. And then we will take the ID example. And I gotta use single quotes over here because I am using double quotes around the onClick attribute. Then we will access the inner HTML of this element and make it equal to date. So yeah, there we go. So if I click this, it's going to show me the time. September 24, 2024, 10:50 in the morning. So yeah. This is some JavaScript code, and this empty paragraph is the place where this date will be put, because we take the element by its ID, example, and then the date will be added inside of this paragraph. Alright. In HTML, we also have the script tag. I'm gonna remove these for now. So usually it's recommended to put the script at the end of your HTML so that your HTML will at least render before you are putting any JavaScript inside, because if there is an issue in your JavaScript code, you at least allow the HTML to render in first. So we can type in script, and inside of here we can type some JavaScript. For example, document.get element by ID. I'm gonna give this a ID of my h3. Let's get the ID my h3 and change the inner HTML to a string good job. And there we go. The text is now changed. So with the script tag, we can type JavaScript inside of HTML. Alright. However, the most common use for the script tag is to not actually write JavaScript inside of it, but instead use the source attribute and link a JavaScript file inside of here. So basically what we did here is that we used the script tag to link in a JavaScript file, index.js, with the source attribute right over here. So yeah, now I could go ahead and open this file, start writing some JavaScript, but that's not the topic of the HTML course. I'm creating a JavaScript course for this in case you are interested, so go check it out if you'd like to learn more. Then, last but not least, there is the noscript tag. So basically, the HTML noscript tag defines an alternate content to be displayed to the users who have disabled scripts in their browsers, or they are using a browser that is so old that it doesn't support scripts. Now, this is pretty rare. I mean, usually there's no need for this, but there might be some people who are using a 20-year-old computer with a 20-year-old browser, or some people might have disabled their scripts. So this is a message that we can show to these people. Sorry, your browser doesn't support JavaScript. So if for some reason the script is not able to be used, then this message will be displayed. But however, in 2024 it's pretty rare for somebody's browser or computer to not be running any scripts inside of it. But it is there, it exists, so now you know about it. But in 2024 there's really not too much use for the noscript tag, but it is there. Anyways, that's going to be it for this episode, HTML inside of JavaScript, and also linking the JavaScript files. So yeah, I hope you learned something new in this episode, and that I'm gonna see you in the next episode. And yeah, have a wonderful day everyone, and happy learning. Bye bye!